In this video, we'll discuss about automated guided vehicle systems, that is AGVs. This automated guided vehicle system is a battery powered driverless vehicle with programming capabilities for destination, path selection and position. That means in AGVs, there will be no human operator to steer. It runs through the battery power and the program is done for the path selection, destination and position. Next is the components of AGVs. The first component is the vehicle. The vehicle which is used to move the material within the system. Next one is the guided paths. It guides the vehicle to move along the predefined paths. Next is the control unit. It monitors and directs the system operating, including the feedback on moves. Next, computer interface. All the work the AGVs will do with the interface of the computer and system, such as the mainframe host computer. Next, the different types of AGVs used. That is AGV towing vehicles. This, I think the boys know this, what is the towing. If you are in your friend vehicles, if petrol is over, you will tow that vehicle till the petrol bunk. In the same way, there will be several vehicles which is used to move one by one. That is AGV towing vehicles. It can carry a very large volume of loads and it can also move for the long distance up to 1000 feet or more. That is about AGV towing vehicles. And next one is AGV's unit load transporters. As they told, unit load means there are several parts which is loaded into a single load, that is called as unit load. Here, these unit load transporters are often equipped with an automatic load transfer and normally used in warehousing and distributing systems. Here, the guided path lengths are relatively short, but the volumes are high. And the next one is AGV pallet trucks. Here, these are designed to lift and transport the palletized loads. The vehicle is used for picking up of load and dropping off loads from and to floor level, thus eliminating the need of fixed load stands. That is about AGV pallet trucks. And next one is AGV forklift trucks. These forklift trucks has the ability to pick up and drop the palletized loads both at floor level and on stands. Here, the pickup height can be different from drop off height. Next one is AGV light load transporters. As the name tells, light load means this is used to carry the smaller loads. And these are designed to operate in areas where the limited spaces are there. And last one is AGV assembly line vehicles. These are the adaptation of light load transporters for application involving series of assembly processes. The guided vehicle carry the major subassemblies such as motors, transmissions or even automobiles. The major advantage of AGV assembly line is lower expense and ease of installation compared to odd assembly lines. This is about the types of AGVs. Next, some applications of AGVs. In the application part, the first one is driverless train operations. Here, there is no need of human operators. These AGVs can run without the human operators with a predefined paths. This involves the movement of large quantity of materials over relatively large distances. For example, the moves within the large. And next one is storage and distribution. Here, the unit load carriers and pallet trucks are typically used in these applications. These storage and distribution operations involve the movement of materials in a unit load. The application often interfaces with AGVs with a small or some other automated handling and storage systems. And the third application is assembly line applications. In this assembly line applications, the unit load carriers and light load guide vehicles are used in these lines. In the usual applications, the production rate is relatively low and there is several different product models may be on the line. And the next one is flexible manufacturing systems. In the typical operations, the starting work parts are placed on the pallet fixtures by human workers. Then AGV deliver the parts to the individual workstations. When AGV arrives the assigned station, the pallet is transferred from the vehicle platform to station for processing. At the completion of processing, the vehicle returns with the pick and the work part to the next assigned workstation. This AGV provides the versatile material handling system to complete the flexibility of the flexible manufacturing system. And last application is miscellaneous applications. The automatic guided vehicle systems include office mail delivery, hospital material transport, hospital guided vehicle transports, meal trays, medical and laboratory supplies, and other materials between various departments in the building. This transport typically requires movement of vehicles between different floors in the hospitals and have capabilities to use elevator for these purposes. AGV's technology is still developing and the industry is continuously working to design new systems to respond to the new application requirements. These are some applications of AGVs. Next is the functions of AGVs. There are several functions that must be performed to operate any AGVs. Some of the functions are vehicle guidance and routing systems. This AGV's vehicle guidance system is to keep the vehicle in a pre-designated path. The main advantage of AGV's guidance is that the guide path can be changed easily at lowest cost compared to high cost of modifying fixed path equipment such as conveyor chains. This vehicle guidance system is further divided into 6 types. First one is wire guidance system or embedded guided wire systems. In these systems, the electrical wires are placed in a small channels or cuts in the plant floor that flows the required paths. The buried guide wire is connected to a frequency generator. This generator produces a low voltage, low current frequency signals. This creates a magnetic field along the pathway that may be followed by the sensors built in the AGVs. The steering of the AGVs is controlled by use of these sensors. And the relative strength of the magnetic field on each sensor